Hi, hello friends, Nagarajan from Market Decoder channel. In this video, we are going to see what are the top 5 mistakes I did in my initial trading days, or people would have been doing it right now, whoever have entered the market as a freshers, and people who have never crossed without doing these mistakes. Those are the 5 mistakes which I'm going to talk about in this video, and let's get into the video. The first mistake which I did was there was no strategy. There was no single strategy with me in my initial days. Without any strategy, I was just trading like a machine gun. Whatever trade I get or whatever stock the people are recommending, I used to take the trades, and I'll be booking profit at times, and many of the times I have got failed. That was the first major mistake which I did. And second thing is going to be stock selection. Without knowing the background of any particular stock I was trading in at least not less than 50-60 stocks. I used to trade like a mad in the initial days, because of I will be like, if I get a loss in a first trade, I will be taking a revenge in another stock. That was a major mistake which I did. We should be knowing what stock or which stock we have to trade, and which stock will be going up or down at in particular time, so that we should be knowing it. So that was the second mistake which I did, which incurred me some huge losses. And third mistake is entry time. So without knowing the time, because time decides everything in human's life, so time has a very important and most important reason behind our success. That is what I would say. And we have to know in which time we have to take entry in any particular stock. Let it be an index or a stock. We should know in what time or which time we have to take entries. So that was a third big mistake which I did, and I was incurring a huge losses. And fourth mistake, the one and only mistake which I did n number of times, and most of times my account has got washed out. That is position sizing, the fourth one. Without knowing what should be the amount of stocks or what should be the number of stocks I have to trade with my capital, that I was not knowing, and I used to use the maximum margin. In those days it was like 20x, 35x and all we used to get in certain brokerages. I used to utilize the maximum margin of the stocks, and I'll be trading like that. And one single stop loss has wiped out my account one time, and many times I have lost huge amount just because of over position sizing. So this was the fourth and very important mistake. And the last one, which is going to be discipline. I never know what should be done. As soon as the market opens, I'll be initiating my trade without knowing what kind of trade we are going to take, whether I'm going to take buy or sell, whatever I get in mind, in that instant I'll be initiating the trade. That was the biggest mistake among the top 5. So these are the top 5 mistakes in initial days of my trading career, which I have corrected now, and I have turned into my winning path. So I'll be discussing all these top 5 mistakes, which is, first thing is strategy, and second is stock selection, entry time, and fourth is going to be the position sizing and discipline. These are the 5 top mistakes during my initial trading career, which made me a better trader right now. Because I have corrected all those mistakes, and I have derived my own strategies, and that is what I am going to share in the upcoming videos. So far people have been watching my videos, so please do subscribe and support who haven't not subscribed so far. That would be a great support for me. So thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.